And this is sun. Sun, 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 sun. Sun. Look at this one. Sun. Sun. What is this? Sun. And this is clouds with raindrop. Oh, just
Eh, itsura ng
now,
mukha niya.
it's going to rain.
Anong
This is
mukha yan?
cloud with raindrops.
Nanay, ang pangit.
Tinininin. What else? What else do we have? Oh, this is moon with 3 stars. These are the stars. 1, 2, 3, and this is the moon.
Lada pa kasi, Mireya.
Oh, the moon. The moon. Hihi. And this clouds also.
Ayun nga, clouds. Ang
Ang
clouds.
galing talaga ng pet mo Oh, there's a lot of stars. Can you count how many stars do we have?
Can you count? Sige, Maria, mag-count ka. Yes, count.
You count how many stars do we have?
Count.
Oh, you count. Come on.
Count.
Count. Count.
Count daw, count.
Oh, these are 2 stars only.
Anong 2 stars?
Oh, 1, 2. Oh. Ate Shelby. Ate Shelby.
2 stars.
Shelby, hindi ko naabot yung iba. Oh, this is hand.
Yan, pamamalo ni Mama sa'yo.
This is hand. You have 2 hand. 2 hands.
2 hand.
You have
Yeah,
2 hands. Ha? Where is it? Come on. Let me see it.
Wait, wala yung pagod na siya nakinig sa'yo.
This is your 1 hand and this is your 1 hand. Therefore, you have 2 hands.
Dinadog siya mo si Mireya.
You have 2 hands. Oh, what else? Ha? Pagod na si Mami. Oh, apple. Actually, we have an actual apple. Can you get it?
Kampal, gusto mo, Ma?
Can you get an actual apple?
Babato ko to sa...
Oh, this one is the real apple.
Ba,
What
may
color
fake
is
apple
this?
pala.
What color is this? You should know this color.
Tumanda na pa, alam na yung color ng apple.
You can distinguish this. Shermel, yung ano niya. Bib. Dali.
Mama kasi. Di-distinguish mo naman yung kulay
You
ng
can
apple.
distinguish na kasi red, black, and white, right? So this one is red. Can
Pink
you see
yan.
this? No, this one is red. Can you
Asan
see
yung
this?
red dyan?
Can you see this, baby? Oh. Oh, red. Ano, nakakasundan niya, oh. Oh. Oh, you can hold it. Hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Oh. Oh. Hold it. Hold. Hold it. Pero kagabi, hinawakan niya yung pacifier niya. Oo. Nawakan niya. Oh, you want? You want apple? You want apple? You will eat this when you reach 6 months na po. But for now, you have mommy's milk muna. Okay? Ooh, what is this?
Ito na.
Diamond.
Anong diamond?
Diamond. The shape.
Square.
Diamond. Wala pa diamond si mami. Paglaki mo, baka gusto mo ko bilihan.
Ako din, bird.
Wala pa diamond si mami. Galingan mo, paglaki mo, bilhan mo ako. Ha? You give mami a diamond. Okay? Sabi niya, bata-bata ako pa.
Binigyan na lang
diamond ng
obligasyon.
mami ko. Oo, you count all. There is 3, 6, 9. Diamond. Why are you kicking me? Why are you kicking
Nga
me?
nababaliw ka na. Saka
Hindi
mo
ko
na madala
naabot.
sa mental. Sa ate ng nanay mo.
I'm teaching your sister, no? Mental ka dyan. What shape is this? Triangle. Triangle.
It's two ball.
Triangle.
Two ball.
Triangle.
Two ball.
Triangle.
Titakpan mo na yung mukha man niya. Sige, gusto.
Ay, triangle. Triangle. Oh!
Two ball.
A lot of circle.
O, bilangin mo.
You can count this. If you can count this, I will let you eat apple.
Oh, Memeya, bilangin mo daw. Kakain ka ng apple.
I will let you eat your cupcake. Not just
Yung
the icing.
icing.
Not just the icing, but the whole cupcake.
Oh, count.
Come on! Sabi ni Mami, nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Anong pinagsasabi mo niya? Wala na. Oh, there's a grapes. But the grapes is black. Therefore, it is already rotten. Because this is black. Bulok ko na yung grapes. Ano po? Bulok na yung grapes. Opo. Kasi black na siya eh. Ano?
Tanga-edit na yung mukha ni Mireya sa'yo, ma.
Naanto ka na. Bawal ka matulog kasi mamaya tayo matutulog. What is this? This is a lips. Ate Shermel lips.
Ano yun? Ano gagawin ko dyan?
This is Ate Shermel's lips. You have also lips. Kanina nagman ng lips si Mireya? Kanina nagman ng lips mo? Ha? Kanina po nagman ng lips mo, bebe ko? Ano po?
Yung baho mo daw.
Oh, naligo ako. Naligo ako, ikaw hindi. Kasi kakabaksin mo lang. Ikaw ang hindi po naligo.
Gabi ba, guys? Na-out of place ako sa
And
mga
this
to.
is triangle. Oh, what? Oh, triangle yan. Bakit?
Electric pan yan!
Electric fan dyan.
yung ayun no, yung umiikot.
Carmen. Ay, hindi ko na alam kung anong tawag dito. Tingnan mo na lang.
Snowflakes yan. Tingnan mo, di ka nag-elementary.
Oh, what is one?
Optical illusion.
Optical illusion. So, this one is?
Basta yun. Sila guys, nakapaglinis na sila kung di pa ako nakakaligo.
Oh, this is the one you're using when you're kicking me. Ha? This is fit. Oh,
Iiyak na siya.
Oh, why are you crying? I'm just teaching you. Wala ka ba naiintindihan?
La.
Why? Why you're sinuking?
Sino king?
Ha?
Pero sino king daw?
This is cherry. Cherry blossom.
O Cherry, ba't ka napunta dyan?
Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom. Oh, this is, ano shape to be?
Ano, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle.
Not straight. Because this is not straight. Not straight line. And this is a cloud with a thunderstorm.
Ano?
Right? Am I right? Thunderstorm? Thunderstorm with clouds. And these are circles. Oh, we're done with all the chuchunes. Huh? But, why are you crying? Okay, si mami naman turuan mo. Ano naman ibig sabihin ng laway na yan? Uy, na-overload ka ba? Ang dami bang tinuro ng mami? Opo, okay.
Nairita lang daw siya. Ma.
Uulitin po yun ng mami lahat hanggat maintindihan mo, anak ko, maganda. Magandang mahal na mahal ng mami. Oh, I love you, baby ko. I love you, baby ko. Oh, I love you.